Hello everyone! As you know, I'm a big fan of Instant Pot and simple one-pot recipes where you don't need to stir or watch anything. All you need, just throw and go. For this video, I'm making the most favorite American comfort food, which is mac and cheese. What not to like? It's a pasta with a lot of cheese, some butter and milk. Mac and cheese originated in 14th century Italy. It has been served in the United States since it has been around. In the early 20th century, this dish became super popular as a comfort food, as it's tasty, very filling, cheap and super easy to make. This recipe only takes 10 to 12 minutes in preparation time, including Instant Pot pressurizing. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Okay, let's make our mac and cheese. Step number 1. Add macaroni, chicken broth, salt, pepper, Tabasco sauce and garlic powder in the pot. Make sure all the pasta is submerged with the liquid. No need to stir. I'm using homemade butter for this recipe. If you want to know how to make it, I will have a link in the description of this video. Set an Instant Pot on manual for 5 minutes and then do a quick release. Including pressurizing, it should take you around 10 to 12 minutes. Step number 2. After manual release, add milk, cheddar powder and combination of shredded cheeses. Make sure to stir really well in the process. Everything should melt really well. And this is it, one-pot recipe, quick and simple. To make it crispy on the top, you can transfer it to the casserole dish, put some breadcrumbs on top, along with some shredded cheese and bake it for a few minutes. And if you like this recipe, check out my full collection of other quick and easy Instant Pot recipes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.